Good morning. Last day of June. This is Mr. Chez Poulet with another video. It's my first day off. Checking out the birds. Beautiful day. The pool was almost 80 degrees yesterday. Super hot day. Garden's growing like crazy. The side by the tree is still growing way more. It's starting to rain a little bit there. Now, I don't know if I should cut those flowering parts off of the broccoli or not. It's my first time growing broccoli, but kind of just letting them do their thing. Not really sure what I'm supposed to do with them. You can see my kales, it's coming along. There's little tiny black bugs all over the place. Nothing's really bugging the spinach though. The spinach leaves are like really good. Here's the broccoli starting to flower on top. Anyway, just gonna leave it as is. The tomatoes are doing good. I got lots of weeds, but I'm not weeding this big garden. The tomatoes are doing pretty nice, I think. I got like 30. Or 20 some, I don't remember exactly now. And the strawberries are starting. Got some strawberries. Kind of exciting for the kids to come and pick some. We only got 3 in there just to start for this year. This bed I didn't do nothing to it. Still full of weeds from last year. Oh, I can hear the girls. I can hear yous. Good morning. Good morning. You get away from the door. Go, get. What's going on, Sal? That's Sal right there. Look, she's all excited to see me. I can tell because she has all the most white on her. See, watch. She's the one that lets me pet her. Hey, Sal. Yeah? What are you doing? You guys got any eggs yet? The white ones are starting to get bigger. That one there is pretty big. Hey, Sal. Come here. And that one's the one with the twisted tail on the back. Yeah, see if I wiggle my fingers, she'll come over. There, I touched her, she'll be back. There, see? Hi, Sal. What are you doing? Well, there's some eggs in there. Oh, there's the white one. So yesterday there wasn't a white one in there, so now there's a white one. So we got one white one in the box number 1, like usual. And so we're down to 6 again today. Sometimes I get 7. The brown, and sometimes we get an extra white, and sometimes we get an extra brown, so. Anyway, I'm gonna take these out. They just laid them because some of them are still warm. Lots of mosquitoes out here. What do you want, Sal? What do you want? What do you want? Come here. Come here. Come. Look. Come here. Come here. So this is the haul for today. 3 and 3, just like yesterday. So 12 eggs in 2 days. Getting order of feed tonight. I had 250 pounds of feed, and this is the last of it right now. I'm just kind of split the bag half and half. The hens are still good. They got anyway, I'm gonna have to end the video because I hate mosquitoes and they're all biting me in here. So cheers, y'all. Hope you're all having a good day. The meat birds are over there. I'll pause it and go head over there real quick and show you those. I didn't show you them yesterday. Bye, Sal. Every time I open the door, they're trying to get that new grass. Alright, we'll check on the meat birds real quick. I put lots of new bedding down yesterday for them, so we'll see how they're making out. Real quick. Hello, birdies. You girls are growing. $250 pounds of feed in less than a month. I just want to see how much feed they got left. Oh, they're still like 3/4 full. I don't know if you can see it in there, but lots for today. And they got lots of water. They're 3.5 right now. I didn't even know there was numbers on it. So 1 gallon, 2 gallon, 3 gallon, 4 gallons. So it's like 3.5 gallons right now. Anyway, they're good. Getting big and juicy. They do an awful lot of panting. See the male over there? But I find they're pretty big. This is my first time, but I guess we're gonna keep on leaving them get bigger. I gotta empty the water really quick. There. You guys are really big. That's the male. I took the boards out of the corner, so I figured they would go hang out over there in the corner and give them a little bit more room. Not that it matters. I don't really find the males too much bigger than the females, to be honest with you. But they love to dig. It's nice to have them dig up the compost because even though I have to keep on putting the bedding down a lot, they stir it all up. And I learned yesterday that they do that to try to get cool down. And they were panting really bad yesterday because it was like 30 some degrees out. Which is something else I didn't know that they did. So just like dogs, when dogs overheat, they pant. Anyway, that's just a quick video for this morning. Got another 6 eggs, three brown, 3 white. I will see you tomorrow on day off, my second day off. I gotta put away the little, whatever you call it, gazebo or little tent. Put away that today before it rains. Alright, have a good one all.